Alright guys, hello, it's back, I'm back. So I just went, well, we just got back from the store and I just want to show you guys some things that I just picked up. So I just got this big desk calendar, and I am going to, of course, remove August and just start with September. So yeah, I really like it. It was only $7.99 from Marshall's, and it's the Ray Dunn collection, which she has a lot of stuff in Marshall's right now. Metro is playing with this toy. And then I'm gonna finish up my discussion post for school that is due today. But yeah, other than that, I am finally gonna chill out. I'm literally just so tired. I went to Cleveland this past Monday to Tuesday, and then on Sunday I leave for California for the week, so I'll be there till next Friday. So I'm just so tired. I just want these center visits to be over. I'm exhausted. I'm just happy tomorrow's Friday. I got a break after work a little bit, and yeah. So yeah, I just want to check in, and my ring is still blinging. Guys, it's like surreal that I am engaged. I cannot believe it. Look at that. Beautiful. But yeah, let's finish up this work. All right, so happy Saturday, guys. It's Saturday, September 8th. Yeah, that's right. And we are headed to a wedding today, so that's why I'm kind of like, or if you guys don't even notice, I have some makeup on and washed my hair and straightened it and all that crap. So I'm all ready, and this is what I look like. But yeah, we are going to one of Ario's friends' wedding, which is today. So we're gonna be headed there pretty soon. It's the venue is like 15 minutes from our house, which is perfect, so we don't have to travel far. And it's a pretty gloomy day today, but it's indoors, so it shouldn't disrupt their day at all. So it should be really nice and fun. So yeah, tomorrow I actually leave for California for a work trip, which I do not want to go to at all. So yeah, I did go get my nails done today, so I got this red color on my nails, super pretty. And then I also got my toes done in like this burgundy color. So I love the new nail salon I went to, because afterwards they give you a massage, like a shoulder massage, which was amazing, and I really needed it. So I think I found my new place. So yeah, my balloons are still riding high, guys. And yeah, I just want to do a little update. I did get a new water bottle by Kate Spade. It looks like this, super cute. It was at Nordstrom Rack for $9. So like, come on, I've been just drinking a lot of lemon water in it, and it's just so pretty, and it's really tall, so it's nice to have. And it's dark blue with little polka dots on it, super cute. So yeah, I got my dress for this occasion from Lulu's, and I'll show you when I put it on what it looks like. I'm just wearing some just little black heels with it, because the attire is all black, semi-formal all black. So Vario and I are both in all black, so it should be very nice. And I'll show you guys what we look like when we're all dressed up. My little boy, my little boy. Hi, little son. Sit, stay, stay, sit, sit. No. Stay, sit. Good boy. Look, see, you're right there. Mommy, son. Yeah. I know, little boy. It's just so exciting. You're just so excited, my son. I like love this boy. Oh my god. Come here. Oh. What Ario's wearing. That's what I'm wearing. Slit. Alright, long time no see. We are headed to the outlets today to go get some more candles, because you know, Bath and Body Works, they just get that routine visit during the fall and winter, because you need those candles, like come on now. So we're gonna go there, and then before that we're actually gonna go eat some food. I think we're going to the seafood restaurant. So I'm super excited. I love seafood. But this is what I'm wearing. Very simple. I still have my engagement balloons up here, but they're like holding on by a shred. So yeah, the ring has completely fell and everything. But yeah, I'm just wearing this little shirt from Forever 21. Regular jeans I always wear, and then my Nike Air Max bronze shoes. So, and then my bag is my Kate Spade small bag. I like to usually wrap it around like this when I'm shopping, just so it's not on one arm and it's like hands-free. I like that a lot, and it carries a lot of stuff in there. So there we have it. I think my phone, oh, I need to take out my work badge. Let's do that. Okay. And my phone goes right in there, so we're lit. And these are my nails I got done last week. They still look pretty good, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie. They look pretty good still. I love this new salon I went to. They were pretty awesome and great. I also got my toes done, but you guys can't see that right now, so. Barrio, are you ready? Okay, there's actually a Kate Spade at the outlets that we went to, and I'm kind of interested in this tote bag. What do you guys think? Is it ugly? Is it even worth it? I don't know. I really like the black, and it's reversible, so, and it comes with this little pouch to put stuff in as well. I don't know, what do you guys think? I like it. We'll check it out. But yeah, we're actually dog sitting another dog today, or this weekend. It's a French bulldog, so, but he's really crazy and rambunctious, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. So yeah, we're about to go now, and I'll catch you guys later. So we're cooking breakfast. No,
did you get the screen fixed? Is it working?
And we are making these pancakes, Kodak cakes. I got these from Target, and I got them in the cinnamon oat flavor. And I just used some almond milk, vanilla unsweetened with this. And there's our batter. About to make these power cake pancakes, flapjacks. Yum. And the batter just looks like this.
It's hot, it's ready for you too. I cleaned off the top and the bottom. I like this little thing, it's not heavy. So when it gets down to the bottom, just tear it up. Is this what we always have?
Yeah.
Even in fall shirts you have it?
Yeah. I get it. Here's the finished product of, don't look at that. Almost a little bit better. There we are. But that eggs, bacon, sausage, and my little thing. I put honey on mine. And my banana. Late. Hey guys, so we just got back from a walk, and I picked these up because I saw them in a recent vlog, Sophia and Cinzia. If you guys watch them, they're from the UK, but they really like these puffs, and they're vegan, so I just want to try them out. They were on sale for 2 for $5, so I just got one. This is only $2.50, so I'm about to try these out. Let's see how they are. They're vegan white cheddar chickpea puffs, hip peas, and they're only 130 calories for 4 of these, or no, for, what's the serving size? 1 ounce of these. Okay, let's try it out. Completely procrastinating right now. Completely. This is terrible. Okay, this. This is what they look like. Let's taste them. Vegan cheese. They already look a little weird. Ugh. I don't know. These are really good. Wow. I'm shocked. You know when you buy something you're like, I'm not gonna like this, but let me just try it anyway. I thought that was I thought that was gonna be this, but it's completely not. These are actually really good. Yum. Try these out. I can't believe it's vegan because it tastes like cheese on it. Wow. Okay guys, I just made this lit arugula, steak arugula salad with like feta cheese, lemon dressing, arugula, steak. It's super good. And peaches. Peaches are also in this. So make sure Vario has a peach poking through there. But there's the bowl of the goodness. It's super good. Let's go take it to Vario. See what he thinks.
Well, thank you. And this is already the dressing?
Hmm?
This is dressing on there?
Taste it.
Okay. This is really good.
Yeah, right?
Wow, look at the broccoli.
Okay guys, disregard what I look like because I look like crap, but I just got a package in the mail and it's an engagement present from one of my friends. So I'm going to unbox it. I already started unboxing it, so, and then I just grabbed my camera because I was like, it's just, she gives like the best presents. Like, I just want to say that. So shout out to you, Nikki, because this is awesome. So this is our pretty card. It just says to the future Mr. and Mrs. So cute. And then it has like a little note in there. Just congrats on your engagement. So pretty. So it came in that. And then let's open up the gift. So I already started opening up one, but I didn't open it all the way. And then I have one here. So let's see what it is. This is so cute. So it's countdown until the start of forever. Double-sided chalkboard design. And so this side you can put the amount of weeks that you have until your date. And then on this side, you can put how many days until the date. That is so cute. And then you could just like hang up with this thing. Oh my gosh, love it. And you can change them as the dates come. So I think that's so cute. Thank you. Look at that. So cute. I'm engaged, duh. I've been wanting a new mug and this is perfect. Thank you. Oh, look, there's a little drawer and you can have the chalk. That is really, really cute. Thank you, Nikki. I'm gonna go drink out of this now because it's freaking cute. That's what it looks like. dope. Okay. Doing some studying and writing up notes for my midterm. And I have 2 more topics to type up, and then I can study on these notes. So I have them all printed out here. Lit. I did go and get my nails done yesterday because I really needed them done, so. Okay, I'm procrastinating. What's this?